हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू Codebase. I am your host and host Deepesh, and from this video I am going to start my new video and favorite video series, Python Programming Full Course. And in this video series you will learn core Python programming, Python collections, object oriented programming in Python, and some advanced topic in Python. And at the end of this video series we will do some real world project in Python, and at the end of every module we will do some program practice also. So I am very excited for starting this video series. Are you excited or not? Please do comment. So let's start the first video of this video series. So friend, I am going to start this video with Python introduction and introduction of Python. So Python is an interpreted, high level and general purpose programming language. Guido van Rossum began working on Python in the late 1980s as a successor of the ABC programming language, and first released it in 1991 as Python 0.90. So Guido van Rossum is a developer of Python programming, and he started working in Python in late 1980 and as a successor of ABC programming language, and first release version is Python 0.90. After that, in the year of 2000, the new version or next version Python 2.0 was released with new features, and in the year of 2008 the latest Python version Python 3.0 and the most popular version Python 3.0 was released with some more extra feature, and these features are using in a data science, machine learning, AI, big data and blockchain technology. So today's Python is first world's popular programming language. Why? Because it is using for coding in data science, machine learning, AI, big data and blockchain technology. So Python is very simple and easy programming language as compared to other programming language. And if we talk about some famous module in Python, so there are some famous module. So first is a NumPy. So NumPy is a numerical Python, and it is using in a data analysis, and Pandas the Python data analysis, and it is using for the data cleaning, and sklearn library it is using for the machine learning. Matplotlib module is using for plotting the graph and chart. Django is a framework, or we can say the module if you want to develop a high weighted website, so you can use the Django framework of Python. And Flask is also used for web development. If you want to develop the light weighted website, so you can go for Flask. And Kiwi module of Python is used for mobile app development, and tkinter library or tkinter module of Python used for GUI application creation or development. So these are the famous modules we can use for developing the application in different fields. So now today is the most popular Django framework is using for web development, and it is very demanded framework in real world. Okay, and if we see the famous apps using Python, so most famous apps, first is Dropbox using in Python as a programming, and Instagram is also using Python programming, and Amazon, Printpress, Uber, Netflix, Spotify, these all apps and platform currently using the Python program. And this is the introduction and history of Python. And if we want to start coding in Python programming, so we have to create the environment in your system for creating and developing the project in Python and start programming in Python. So for creating the environment in a system, we have to install the Python software or Python exe. So first of all, if we need the Python software, so we have to go the Python official website. So here is the links of some popular websites. First of all, the Python official website is a www.python.org. so if you want to download and install the Python software, so you can go to this site www.python.org. and with Python software we will also install IDE. So IDE is the integrated development environment. So we will do programming and we will develop a project in IDE. So from the beginning, we will start programming of Python in a IDE. So I will prefer IDE as a PyCharm. You can also download VS Code, Visual Studio Code and Jupyter Notebook, but I will prefer PyCharm because PyCharm is especially built for Python programming. And if you will like Visual Studio Code and Jupyter Notebook, so here is the link. You can go with this link and download these software. So in the next video I will show how to download and install the Python software and how to install this software in Windows operating system. And we will also look how to install IDE, PyCharm IDE, and how to download and how to install this IDE in our system. So this is done for this video, and in the next video we will see the installation of software and installation of Python software and installation of IDE. So keep watching, and please like and subscribe my video channel. So we will meet you in the next video. So stay connected. Bye bye.